Hello and welcome back. Let's do a proof. We are given in the figure below, prove that the sum of the angles marked by arrows is 900 degrees. As in these three plus these three plus these three. Let's look a little more closely at this diagram that we're given here. So we can see this triangle here, right? And we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, any triangle, is 180. So it looks like we want to do this sum plus this sum plus this sum and then minus 180, because that would be minus this guy, oops, this guy and this guy. Okay, so how are we going to write that in our proof? Let's take a step back. Okay, so number one, A plus B plus C plus D. I know that total is 360. How do I know? Because angles at a point sum to 360. So let's write that. A plus B plus C plus D equals 360 degrees. So we can say that for this group and this group as well. Let's add that in. E plus F plus G plus H equals 360. And I plus J plus K plus M is equal to 360 degrees because angles at a point sum to 360. Okay. So remember what I just mentioned a minute ago, that if we could do this total plus this total plus this total and then minus 180, seems like that would give us 900. Well, okay, so let's do that part where we add it up, this total, and this total. Well, how does that look? That looks like if we did this plus this plus this and then set that equal to this plus this plus this. So it's like we want to just add straight down here and add straight down here. How do we know that we can do that though? That would be the addition property of equality, because if this is equal to 360 and I add this to either side of an equation, that would be the same as adding 360 to either side of that equation, right? Okay, so let's write this out. Okay, we're going to write all of this as a sum on one side of the equation. So we have A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H plus I plus J plus K plus M is equal to, well, 360 times 3, excuse me, is 1080 degrees. And that was by the addition property of equality. Okay. And let's also make note about the angles in our triangle here. We know that C plus H plus M, C plus H plus M is equal to 180 degrees by the triangle angle sum theorem, which tells us that for any triangle, the sum of the measures of the interior angles is 180 degrees. Triangle angle sum theorem. Okay, so just line up a couple things here. I see the C's, I see H, I see M. So if we were to subtract, let me delete those, this from both sides, that would be the same as subtracting this from both sides since these are equivalent. Okay, so what would we be left with? Okay, A plus B plus D plus E plus F plus G plus I plus J plus K. That was this entire line except for these three. Equals, and then 1080 minus 180 is 900 degrees. Subtraction, property of equality. Okay, let's double check that we got what we wanted. ABD, check. EFG, check. IJK, check. Equal to 900, check. We're all done.